Hi, this is Naomi C. speaking. Ngayong araw na to, magbibigay ako ng sample ng request letter base sa request ng isa nating avid viewers na si Mr. Christian Garlet. Shoutout to you, sir. Sana mapanood mo tong video na to. So, I believe mag-a-apply siya sa isang government institution, particularly sa Philippine Navy. So, gusto niyang sumulat sa kanila. Gagawin ko yung best ko para maka-come up ng ganong klase ng letter. Kaya kung ikaw gusto mo rin gumawa ng sulat para makapasok sa isang company or institution, then para sa iyo ang video na to, make sure to watch the video until the end. Umpisa na po natin. So, umpisahan natin dito sa petsa. So, pinetsa ko to today, September 21, 2024. Pero kung kailan natin ipapasa yung letter, doon natin i-date yung ating sulat. Tapos, ni-research ko, or 2 spaces after that, ni-research ko kung sino yung flag officer in command ngayon ng Philippine Navy. Ito daw si Toribio D. Adasi Jr. So, lagay natin yung pangalan niya dyan, or lagyan nyo din ng Mr. Toribio D. Adasi Jr. Tapos, lagay natin dito yung katungkulan niya. Isa siyang flag officer in command sa Philippine Navy. Tapos, yung address ng Philippine Navy, lalagay natin dyan. Hindi yung address kung saan nakatira si Toribio, ha? Kundi yung address kung saan yung headquarters ng Philippine Navy. O kung saan headquarters or kung saang branch ng Philippine Navy mo gustong mag-apply. So, 2 spaces again, lalagyan natin attention, Vice Admiral Adasi. Vice Admiral kasi yung kanyang katungkulan, so yun yung ating ilalagay, Vice Admiral. Tapos, yung last name niya is Adasi. So, attention yung nilagay natin para ma-specify na para sa kanya talaga itong sulat na to. Okay? So, proceed na tayo sa body of the letter. So, ito yung unang part ng body of the letter. So, I hope this letter finds you well. Ito yung pambungad natin. My name is Christian Garrett. So, pinangalan ko to kay Mr. Christian Garrett kasi siya yung nag-request ng letter. And I am writing to express my sincere interest in joining the Philippine Navy. I am eager to serve our country and be part of an organization that plays a vital role in ensuring national security and promoting maritime safety. So, dito pa lang, sa pambungad, sinabi mo anong pangalan mo at bakit gusto mong mag-join sa Philippine Navy. Now, bukod dyan, i-elaborate mo syempre yung gusto mo. So, having always been passionate about the sea and the values that the Philippine Navy embodies, like honor, courage, commitment, I believe that I would be an asset to your esteemed organization. My educational background in Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation has equipped me with the skills and determination necessary to thrive in a challenging and dynamic organization or environment. Ngayon, ito yung course na pinili ko, pero of course, Mr. Garrett can always put dito kung ano yung course niya ng college. Okay? And then, dito rin tayo mag-explain further. So, I am particularly drawn to the Navy's mission of protecting our maritime interests and contributing to regional stability. I would be honored to undergo training and contribute to the Navy's operations, whether through active service, logistical support, or community outreach programs. I am also keen in opportunities that promote teamwork and develop leadership qualities among young Filipinos. So this is just you explaining yung mga gusto mong pag-joinan o pag-participatan. So please let me know if there are specific recruitment processes or upcoming opportunities that I can participate in. I am enthusiastic about the possibility of contributing to the Philippine Navy and would be grateful for any guidance or recommendations you can provide. And then, sa dulo niyan, thank you for considering my request. I look forward to the possibility of serving alongside the dedicated members of the Philippine Navy. So this is going to be the content of your letter. So, ayun. And then of course, lalagay tayo ng respectfully yours, Christian Garrett, and then don't forget the signature above your name. Ayun. So, sana po nakatulong tong video na to. Kung meron kayong questions, feel free to comment that below. Bye! And that's everything. Sana po may natutunan kayo sa video natin ngayon. Kung meron po kayong questions, feel free to write that down in the comment section below. Binabasa ko po lahat ng comments at nagre-reply po ako sa lahat ng comments. Also, make sure to watch my other videos about letter of request, lalong-lalo na sa mga nagbabalak gumawa ng ganong klase ng letter of request, especially yung detailed na parang dinadefine lahat step by step, kasi marami po akong videos niyan. Nilalagay ko yung link sa description box sa baba. I'll see you again next time. Bye!